हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कोड कार्निशन। आज का टॉपिक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। आई कैन से दिस बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द यूनिक और प्री डिफाइंड और प्री बिल्डेड लेआउट विच वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़। सपोज फ्रॉम द दैट इज़ टेबल लेआउट। ओके, टेबल लेआउट आज हम देखेंगे जो कि बहुत ही यूनिक और बहुत ही प्री डिफाइंड लेआउट होता है। बेसिकली आप लोग अभी तक समझ ही गए होंगे कि इसे प्री डिफाइंड क्यों कहते हैं। जस्ट बिकॉज this is table layout means table is what we are going to create in the Android screen. So suppose अगर हम किसी चीज़ को टेबल के वे में या टेबल क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, एक्चुअल टेबल, उससे हम टेबल लेआउट कहते हैं। दैट्स इट। दिस इज सिंपल एज वेल एज easy to use. So first we'll see table क्या होता है. Let's do it from scratch. So let's understand what is table. So if I'm using any one of these are the tables, right? So this is table means if I'm taking it left to right, this we call it as row. Okay, if I'm taking top to bottom, this is what we call it as column. Left to right, row, top to bottom, column. Left to right, row, and top to bottom, column. So let's not make it for longer time because it might become as a copyright. Okay, so this is what a row means, left to right, and column is top to bottom. So table layout is something like, suppose if is a view group that displays child, that is view element in row or column. टेबल लेआउट एक ऐसा व्यू ग्रुप है जो अपने चाइल्ड्स को और वी कैन से व्यूज को रो एंड कॉलम के रिस्पेक्टिवली अरेंज करता है. सो टेबल लेआउट इज अ व्यू ग्रुप दैट डिस्प्लेज चाइल्ड और अ व्यू एलिमेंट इन रो एंड कॉलम. सो चाइल्ड व्यूज को जो व्यू ग्रुप रो एंड कॉलम में डिफाइन करता है, दैट्स अ टेबल लेआउट. Okay, so now understand the same thing in XML. So without a further delay, we'll directly head back to XML and then we'll see what all the things are there. So now we'll see what is, let's head down to XML file. So here I have already defined few of the things. So let's just delete it. Yeah, it's better just delete it. So first of all, I will just take my layout to table layout. So I will define my layout tag to table layout. Layout tag को table layout में define कर देते हैं. Then if you can say is might be some already there, but if you have not downloaded, you can just click it here or you can add the dependencies, because to use any certain things you first need to add the dependencies in the project. So आपको इसमें click करना होगा. So it will take few seconds to add this particular library into your grade, like build.grade file, which we have already discussed what is build.grade file in a component section part. That part we have already discussed. So this build.grade file में ये particular line add हो जाता है and then आपकी जो dependencies होती हैं वो अपनी project में add जाती है. So first we need to add this particular table layout. Then if once you have added, you will get a drop down box. So I will just type it right as of now. So this is like table row. Okay, so first we need to take table row, which will be so table row. Table row means I am just going to टेबल लेआउट में टेबल रो सिर्फ यूज़ होता है, टेबल कॉलम यूज़ नहीं होता है. बाय इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स वी कैन कवर बोथ ऑफ थिंग्स. हम डिफरेंट रोज को बार बार यूज़ करेंगे. सो लेट्स टेक इनसाइड दिस रो, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रो विच आई हैव क्रिएटेड, टेबल रो. In the same way I will be creating few more rows. So just take this table row and then we are going to create some button inside it. Okay, so this is what button is. Button will be having button 1. So now I've just taken this table row and I've just put my layout width and layout height as web content. Then we will take it as some buttons. Okay, in buttons, uh, let's again put it at big as, I don't know why it is not coming. Layout height again as web contents. So layout height and web I have taken as web contents. Let's take the text I have take it as button 1. Okay, if you want to do padding you can also do it with 3. No, that's not required, just take it as simple as that. This is one button. Okay, so not need for this as well, just remove it. So now I have created one button. Again, if I'm going to create another one, I'm just going to duplicate it. So this is my another button which is again being arranged in vertical form. Then this is will be my third button, and that's how I will be creating my table in row. Okay, suppose if I want to go with column wise, so basically I'm getting this one another way. Okay, let's make it one more this one, so that it will be pretty clear with it. So see, these are the four buttons. So here four buttons. If I want to do the text view inside this, I can make it with text view. This is what the text I will be getting it. So if I want to go with row wise, I want to go with column wise, I can go with any time. So this is how table layout will work on. This is how table layout we will be working on. So thank you for today's, guys. We'll come in the next video with a few more layout is pending. Two, I think two of the layout is pending, which is constraint layout and coordinate layout. So we'll cover up these two, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you. Do subscribe to Code if you haven't, and also like the video so it will be we can get more motivation from out of it. Thank you.